Stop sending individual texts and start connecting with your leads faster using Follow Up Boss's group texting feature. First, navigate to the People section in your Follow Up Boss account. This is where all your contacts are stored and organized. Next, select the contacts you want to include in your group text by checking the box next to their names. You can select as many contacts as you need. Once you've selected your recipients, click the Send Group Text button. It's usually located at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your view. A new window will appear, allowing you to compose your message. Type your text in the provided field, keeping in mind that this message will be sent to all selected contacts. Personalize your message by using merge fields like first name to address each contact individually. This makes the message feel less generic and more engaging. Choose to send the message immediately or schedule it for a later time. Scheduling is perfect for campaigns and timely announcements. Review your message and recipient list one last time, and then click the send button. Your group text will be sent out instantly. Now you can efficiently communicate with multiple contacts at once, track responses, and streamline your lead engagement process, all within Follow Up Boss. Remember to use group texting responsibly and provide value with every message.